Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Elaine Rau and I do product reviews. Today I'll be reviewing Neema's lipsticks. Comes in a beautiful velvet case like this and all their different shades. So these are the different colors that it comes in. Let's go ahead and try Fulani. Beautiful case. Goes on really, really smooth. The application is really nice. And it doesn't feel like it's drying on my lips. So there you have the Fulani color. All right, next we are going to try Masai. It's like a dark, more red color. I'm not the best at applying lipsticks, to be honest, so just bear with me. Don't worry about the application, you'll probably do a better job, but that is the really bold red. These are super vibrant colors. Let's try Yoruba, which is like a deep purple. Ooh, I kind of like this one. Yeah, I think it kind of complements like, darker skin tones and different stuff like that. It kind of complements like darker hair. This one is called Zulu. It's like a really dark red. It is a really dark red. I'm officially really bad at applying lipsticks. And then finally we have Terang, which is like a middle pink, so to speak. Really like more natural color. So there you have it. Those are all of the Neema's colors. Every single color is like super vibrant, so it really doesn't matter what you choose necessarily. My favorite was the Yoruba, which was like that dark purple. Granted, I really don't use that much lipstick all the time, so it'll be definitely for like special occasions. But yeah, so for more product reviews, please make sure to subscribe, like, comment, let me know what you think about these lipsticks. If you want to purchase, the link is below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.